Hrithik is getting married again. 46-year-old handsome hunk of Bollywood Hrithik is a divorcee and looks like he's planning to get married again. Who's the lucky girl? Let's find out in the video. Hrithik got married with his girlfriend Suzanne Khan in 2002 and they were really happy in their conjugal life. But Hrithik was unable to be loyal towards her, which led to their separation after 12 years of their marriage. Their separation broke many hearts and their respective families were also shocked at their decision. But even after their marriage, they remained very good friends and supported each other whenever needed. And now looks like Hrithik has decided to get married again after 5 years of his separation. Recently, Suzanne shared pictures of her vacation in France with her ex-husband, sons and Hrithik's family members. In those pictures, Suzanne looked really happy with her ex-husband and in-laws and captioned it as modern family. According to some sources, Hrithik and Suzanne has decided to have a fresh start and want to get married with each other again. Hrithik's frequent link-up rumors left Suzanne with no other choice except divorce. In spite of being separated, both of them took the responsibility of their children. Hrithik has also realized that he needs Suzanne in his life and regrets his past affairs now. He now understands that it was his past affairs that broke their fairy tale-like marriage. And that is the reason he wants Suzanne back in his life and is ready to remarry her. Both of them now have understood that their children need them together in their life. Even Suzanne's father once said that these two were never separated to him, and he also believes that they are the best couple. Their recent France trip proved their closeness and also proved that Suzanne is still close to her ex-in-laws. Suzanne even mentioned newborns in her caption of France images, which indicates their decision of getting married soon. Even Suzanne's visit to Hrithik's house during his birthday and her expensive gift for him also proves her affection for her ex-hubby. Hrithik and Suzanne are spotted many times by the media during their dates, and they were even spotted holidaying together many times. And all of this adds up to their soon-to-happen marriage, and that will be a great news for Hrithik's fans.